You may be familiar with finding the areas of shape like this and this, but how about finding the area of shapes like this? So stay tuned because that's exactly what I'm going to be teaching you. Without further ado, let's start learning. Hello, it's Chinelo here, and in today's lesson, we are going to be learning how to find the area of irregular shapes. So when you're given something like this, how do you go about solving it? Now you need to note something. An irregular shape is a combination of regular shapes, okay? An irregular shape is a combination of regular shapes. So in solving the area of this shape, what we have like a T shape. We can divide this shape into two, and we are going to get two regular shapes. Let's do this. You put a dot here. You will notice that we have a horizontal rectangle and we equally have a vertical rectangle here. So what we simply do in finding the area, we are going to break it down, picking it one by one and solving. So what we do, let's simply name here as A and name this as B. We're going to pick it in parts. We're going to pick A. So we are going to have area of A is equals to, now what is the length here is 7 centimeter. Remember, the length of a rectangle is 7 centimeter. So we are trying to find the area of this horizontal rectangle. Then what about the breadth? Now the breadth was not given, so we need to find the breadth in order to solve completely. So what do we do here? How do we go about finding the breadth? Now if you look at this question, you're going to observe that the entire length from here to here is 9 centimeter. And then if you take a look at this other side, you're going to notice that this length from here to here is what, 7 centimeter. Now if from here to here is 7 centimeter, let's put some dots here. We are going to get another regular shape, okay? If this line is 7 centimeter, that means here is equally 7 centimeter, okay? So if here is 7 centimeter and the entire length is 9 centimeter, how do we find this? Let's call this B, all right? Let's refer to this unknown as B. That means here ought to be equal to here, right? So that means to find B, we are going to have 9 centimeter is equals to B plus 7 centimeter. That's what we are going to have. So in doing that, we're going to say 9 centimeter minus 7 centimeter equals to B. B is equals to 2 centimeter. So you can see that we've found here is 2 centimeters, so that when you say 7 plus 2, you're going to have 9. So that shows we are correct. Opposite sides of a rectangle are equal, so we are having 9 here. So what's the value of B here? Is going to be, the breadth is what? 2 centimeter. 7 centimeter times 2 centimeter gives us 14 centimeter square. Now we are solving for area. Remember, the centimeter times centimeter will give us centimeter square. That's how we arrived at it. Now let's solve for the B part, the vertical rectangle. So the area of B will be equals to, now what is this place? We need to find here, all right? We are not giving here because this is the breadth and we have the length here. So we already know that from here, from this point to this point, is 7 centimeter. And then we equally know that this is 3 centimeter and this is 2 centimeter. Now let's take a look at this first rectangle. In taking a look at the first rectangle, you're going to notice something. The entire length from here to here is 7 centimeter. That means this place from here to here ought to be 7 centimeter too, because the opposite sides are equal. So what we are going to do, in order to find this point, let's call this place A. We are going to have 7 centimeter is equals to A plus 3 centimeter plus 2 centimeter. Okay, in doing that, we're going to have 7 centimeter is equals to A plus 5 centimeter. Then we're going to have 7 centimeter minus 5 centimeter is equals to A. Then A is equals to 2 centimeter. So we succeeded in finding here. Now that we know here is 2 centimeter, it becomes very easy to solve. So we are going to have 7 centimeter times 2 centimeter again. So we are going to have 14 centimeter. Now that we found the area of A and B, combining them gives us the area of the entire shape. So what we do, we are going to sum it up. So 14 centimeter plus 14 centimeter is going to give us 28 centimeters. So that's the area of the T shape. Let's take another example for clarity. Okay, so let's take a look at this. Now we have an irregular shape. This is like E. Okay, so what we are going to do, like in the previous question, we are going to break it down to regular shapes. Okay, in doing that, we can break it down this way. We can put this a dot to form another rectangle, and then we can do this here. Okay, and then we can still break this down. In doing this, let's call this place what? A, and let's call this B, and let's call this C, and let's call this D. So first of all, now that we have broken it down, we have regular shapes, right? We have a rectangle here. So we need to find the area of the rectangle. So for A, area of A is going to be equals to, now we are trying to find from here to here, okay, this point. We were not given what it is. We know that the entire length from here to here is 5 centimeter, and we equally know that from here to here, this point is what, 3 centimeter. If here is 3 centimeter, what that means is that this place is equally 3 centimeter. And if the entire length is 5 centimeter, that means to get here, we simply say, let's call here F, okay? We simply say F plus 3 centimeter is equals to 5 centimeter. Then we're going to have F is equals to 5 centimeter minus 3 centimeter. F is equals to 2 centimeter. So if here is 3 centimeter, that means this place we've just found now is 2 centimeter. So that by the time you sum it up, you're going to be getting 5 centimeter. So that means we're on track, right? So the next thing we do, we are going to have the length 10 centimeter times what? 2 centimeter, which is the breadth. So by the time we multiply, we say 10 centimeter times 2 centimeter, you're going to be having 20 centimeter square. So we succeeded in solving for A. We still have B. Let's solve for the area of B. Now, solving for the area of B, here's what we are going to have. Now, we know that here is 3 centimeter, okay? And we know here is 2 centimeter. So it's easy to solve. We are going to have 3 centimeter times 2 centimeter. Remember, the formula for finding the area of a rectangle is length times breadth. So when we say 3 times 2, we have 6. When we say centimeter times centimeter gives us centimeter square. Now we have done this. How about C? How do we go about solving C? Now the area of C is going to be equals to, we have here as 2, and we equally have here as 2. Okay, so if this place is 2 and this is 2, we are going to have 2 centimeter times 2 centimeter is going to give us 4 centimeter square. Okay, so we are done with solving for C. So in C, we have 2 centimeter times 2 centimeter giving us 4 centimeter. How about solving for D? Now the area of D is going to be equals to, now in finding the, from here to this point is 3 centimeter, and then from here to here is what, 2 centimeter. So what we simply do, we say what, 2 centimeter times 3 centimeter. So we're going to have 6 centimeter. So we succeeded in solving for each of the irregular shapes. Okay, so now that we have done that, we are going to sum it up to give us the area of this irregular shape, the E shape. So what we do, we sum it up. 20 plus 6 gives us 26. 26 plus 4 gives us 30. 30 plus 6 gives us 36 centimeter square as our answer. So you can see it's really easy. What you should note when solving the area of irregular shapes, try to break them down into regular shapes like we've done, and then you pick them one by one and solve, and by the time you're done, you simply add it up. So this is what we have on finding the area of irregular shape. Did you get value from this video? Give me a thumbs up. Do you love to see more videos like this? Hit that subscribe button, turn on the notification bell so that you can be notified whenever I upload videos like this. And don't you ever forget, math can be easy. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in my next video.